color black material stainless steel brand Bella product dimensions 7.5 L into 7.5 W into 8.93 H item. Weight 2.26 pounds. The Bella double-tier egg cooker is a remarkable kitchen appliance that simplifies the task of cooking eggs. With its sleek black design and durable stainless steel construction, this egg cooker is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also built to last. One of the standout features of this product is its double-tiered design, allowing you to cook up to 12 eggs at a time. This is particularly useful when preparing breakfast for the whole family or when hosting brunch gatherings. The two-tier system efficiently utilizes the available space, maximizing your cooking productivity. Operating the Bella double-tier egg cooker is a breeze. Simply add water to the designated reservoir, place your eggs onto the 2 trays, and select your desired cooking option. The cooker offers different settings to accommodate various preferences, including soft, medium, and hard-boiled egg cooker.